Construction at Spotify Camp Nou is now accelerating across multiple areas at the same time. This week brought major progress around the facade preparation systems, new compression ring connections, infrastructure work beneath the stands, and even lighting installations already appearing above completed Llama sections. The pace around the stadium is clearly increasing, and several important zones are now moving forward simultaneously. One of the biggest developments this week is the appearance of new lighting systems above the completed facade Llama sections. Several spotlight fixtures have already been installed above the facade structure, positioned to project light downward across the vertical slats once the stadium is finished. Additional mounting systems for future lighting are also being prepared across nearby sections. What makes this significant is that electrical and visual finishing work is already happening alongside heavy structural construction, showing how multiple stages of the project are now advancing together at the same time. The compression ring continues expanding steadily around the upper structure of the stadium, especially around the corner sections. New phalanges are being installed daily between the radial beams as crews work from aerial platforms high above the structure. The work remains slow and precise, but the amount of visible progress from week to week is becoming more noticeable now. Even without major new radial beam deliveries recently, teams are still heavily focused on strengthening and completing the existing corner connections, while the upper roof structure keeps growing section by section. Beneath the seating areas, major infrastructure work is also moving forward. Workers are building new block walls at the second canal level, while reinforced armature systems are already positioned inside several sections. Crews are cutting concrete blocks, fitting reinforcement pieces, and continuing utility installations beneath the stands. Welding and metal cutting work is also visible across multiple lower-level zones as sparks continue flying throughout the construction areas. These sections may not look dramatic visually, but they are essential for the operational systems that will support the stadium on match days. Protective painting work is now progressing across several active construction zones simultaneously. At the north stands area, crews are coating exposed steel beams, bolts, and anchor points with protective layers before the facade systems are installed. Similar work is also visible around the tribuna corner, where upper bracket sections have already been painted while lower areas are still being finished. This stage is extremely important because much of the steel structure will eventually be hidden behind the facade, making corrosion protection critical before the stadium is fully enclosed. One of the biggest updates this week comes from the Llama facade preparation systems. At both Goal Sud and North, workers on lifting platforms are actively aligning anchor points and installing vertical guide rails that will support the future facade slats. New support brackets have also appeared across several sections in just the last few days, while stacks of llamas are already positioned behind the access areas waiting for installation. The preparation work now looks much further ahead than expected, and multiple sectors appear close to entering the actual installation phase very soon. Work around the South Goal sector of Spotify Camp Nou continues moving fast, especially around the facade preparation areas. Workers were once again focused on aligning Llama supports, adjusting structural guides, and applying additional protective paint across several beam sections. The lateral side delivered one of the biggest updates of the day as workers officially continued installing sandwich panels on the second mobility core level. Several new panels are now clearly fixed into place around the upper structure, transforming these mobility cores into more enclosed and finished sections. Elevated platforms remained active throughout the area while crews continued structural adjustments and exterior preparation work. These mobility cores, which will eventually contain elevators and stair systems, are now entering a much more advanced construction phase, and the progress here is becoming more visible with every update. Construction activity around the corner zones remained extremely busy throughout the day. Large stacks of facade llamas are still positioned across the ground waiting for installation, while workers continued cleaning and preparing lower concrete areas using pressure equipment and hydraulic tools. Additional finishing work was also visible around the diamond sector, where crews were refining structural surfaces and removing excess concrete material. Nearby beam sections now appear far more complete than before, with many previous white markings already painted black, giving these exterior sections a much cleaner and more finished appearance. Facade preparation around the North Goal sector continues advancing quickly as workers add more support structures behind the bracket areas for future Llama installation. Multiple new support levels are now visible across the corner structure, creating several layered sections that will eventually be fully covered by the exterior facade system. Elevated platforms were also active throughout this area, with workers continuing painting and finishing operations on rear structural supports and exposed steel sections. Although no new Llamas have officially been installed here yet, the preparation work is now progressing rapidly, and this sector looks increasingly ready for future facade installation phases. The tribuna side of the stadium also continued showing important progress, especially around the interior infrastructure zones. The large utility tube running through this sector expanded significantly again and has now advanced close to the midpoint of the stand. Workers remained active around the mobility core structures where sandwich panel installation and structural finishing work continue progressing steadily. Higher sections of tribuna also showed visible platform activity as crews carried out technical adjustments and support work around upper beam areas, while insulation materials and construction equipment remained spread throughout the sector. Work inside the VIP ring continues moving forward as crews focus on interior construction and exterior enclosures. Glass panels are already installed in several sections, while workers continue fitting structural elements and finishing materials inside the hospitality areas. Small enclosure sections around the upper VIP ring are also becoming visible from the outside, giving a clearer idea of how these premium zones will look once completed. The third tier is slowly entering a more advanced preparation phase as workers continue sealing structural joints ahead of waterproofing treatments. This process is extremely important before final surface layers and seat installations can begin. Interior construction has also started in some areas, where crews are beginning to build walls for future corridors, bathrooms, and concession spaces. While large sections of the third tier still appear mostly empty from the outside, steady behind-the-scenes progress is now becoming more noticeable across the upper level of the stadium. The final exterior corner of the stadium also remained active with painting crews and elevated platforms working across several beam sections and structural supports. Tower cranes were once again lifting heavy construction materials and containers toward the upper levels, while multiple facade support zones continue being prepared for future Llama installations. Even though some outer corner areas still remain uncovered, the stadium is now beginning to reveal much more of its final architectural look, especially with the growing compression ring, expanding facade structure, and increasingly finished exterior sections becoming visible from almost every angle. With anchor preparation now advancing rapidly across several sectors, that stage could begin very soon. Once the first large facade sections go up, the visual transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is going to change dramatically in a very short period of time. The stadium is now entering a phase where structural progress, facade installation, lighting systems, and architectural finishing are all starting to merge together simultaneously. And based on the current pace, the coming weeks could bring some of the biggest visible changes we've seen so far in this renovation project.